So let's start with the pâte à choux. Bringing my little pot here, I'm gonna add milk, water. Pâte à choux, it's a very basic dough that is used to make, choux, gougeres, anything that you need rising and puffy, so it's all puffy pastry. So here, butter, sugar, and salt. I'm gonna bring this to a boil because the whole thing about pâte à choux, it has to be dry. So we're gonna make the dough, melting all those ingredients, then I'll add flour to make it dry. Let's see. The making of pâte à choux, it's a very specific technique and I have no clue we came up with it. But it's working, that's all we want. So I'm gonna bring it to boil. Now that it has boiled, I'm gonna add the flour and really quick dry it. See how it's coming together, and we want to dry it and dry it. Now I'm gonna cool it off in the mixer. So see, my dough is dry and I want to dry it up even more. So I'm gonna cool it off before I start adding eggs. Otherwise, if you add the eggs when it's like hot like that, the egg's gonna cook and then you're gonna get an omelette. And we're looking for pâte à choux. So no, you don't wanna go too high with the speed because you don't wanna incorporate too much air. Because if you do, what's gonna happen is the pastry is gonna blow and crack. So now I'm gonna start adding my eggs one by one and wait until each egg is fully incorporated. If the batter is too liquidy, it's because there is too much eggs. So you lower the quantity, or if it's like a minute and you don't have time to redo another batter, then I'll add a little flour and it'll harden up. So let's see. But make sure that in between each egg, the dough come very together. Okay, so see the texture. It's runny, but not too runny. So now I have a soft dough that I'm gonna be able to pipe. And I'm gonna transfer it into my piping bag. With this dough, you can also make petits choux, eclairs, religieuses, countless delicious things. So let's start. Voila. Please, if you like what I do, subscribe to my channel, Delightful Mrs. Azria. We will be dropping a video every Thursday at 6 p.m. See you soon. Bye-bye.